Have you ever wondered why, even after turning 60, your nights feel longer, your bed feels restless, and your eyes just won't close? You're tired, but sleep simply doesn't come. What if the solution to this age-old problem was sitting right in your kitchen, something as simple as a glass of milk? As we age, our natural production of sleep hormones like melatonin decreases. That's why so many seniors struggle with tossing and turning. But milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your brain make serotonin and melatonin, calcium and magnesium, which relax muscles and nerves, vitamin D, which balances your sleep cycle. Number 4, almond banana milk, the nutrient booster. This isn't just a drink, it's a full sleep tonic. Blend warm milk with half a ripe banana and a handful of soaked almonds. Bananas add potassium and magnesium, easing muscle cramps that often wake seniors at night. Almonds boost melatonin and healthy fats for sustained sleep. This is perfect if you wake up often during the night. Number 3, golden milk with turmeric, the healer. For centuries, turmeric has been used as a natural anti-inflammatory. Add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper to warm milk. It reduces joint pain and stiffness. Calms the mind and body, helping you fall asleep faster. Golden milk is especially good for seniors struggling with pain-related insomnia. 2, warm milk with honey, the sweet soother. Honey isn't just for taste. It gently raises insulin levels, helping tryptophan enter your brain more easily. This creates a wave of serotonin, which your brain converts into melatonin. The result? Faster, deeper sleep. 1, a traditional warm glass of milk, the classic that works. And finally, at number 1, the most underrated sleep remedy. Just a plain warm glass of milk. No sugar, no additives. Sometimes the simplest ritual is the strongest. The warmth itself signals your body it's bedtime, and the nutrients inside do the rest. Many seniors who try this for a few nights are surprised at how quickly their sleep improves. Remember, good sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity, and sometimes the key to deep rest is hidden in the simplest of traditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more senior health tips.